Today we will understand how to simplify the ratio with the different units. And in these questions, you can see one of the question is having the unit kilometer and meter, and the other question is having the unit centimeter and millimeter. Now, in this case, what we have to do, we have to always change the bigger into the smaller unit because that makes the question easy to do. So let's do it. 3 kilometers, if I have to change into meter, what I'll do? 3 kilometer will be equals to 3000 meter. Now, in place of 3 kilometer, we can write down 3000 meter ratio 300 meter. Since the units are same, we can cancel the units. Now you can see we can divide this also with 100. We can divide this also with 100. So once I will divide it, I'll get here 30 ratio 3. Now I can divide it with 3 and we'll get our answer as 10 ratio 1. In the beginning, you can itself divide it with 300 if you want to, and then you can get the same answer. But I'll just keep it little bit simpler for you to understand how we can do it. Now the next one is 1.5 centimeter. So if I have to change 1.5 centimeter into millimeter, it will be equals to 15 millimeter. I have already made the video how to convert the units. So if you are not able to understand how I did this, just go for those videos and try to understand how to convert the units. Now, 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. That's why when I times 1.5 with 10, I'll get equals to 15 millimeter. Now, in place of 1.5 centimeter, I will write down 15 millimeter and 5 millimeter. Now the units are same, we can cancel them. Now both the numbers are divisible by 5, so I can divide them with 5. And once we will divide it, we'll get it equals to 3 ratio 1. Similarly, there can be the questions where you can get hours, minutes, seconds. So the questions which we did before, those were about the measurement of length. Now these questions which you can see, they are related with the time. So change in units, you should know how to do it. So in this, if you will see, minutes is the bigger unit. I will change them into the seconds. So 2 minutes is equals to 2 into 60, which is equals to 120 seconds. Now, in place of 2 minutes, I can write down 120 seconds. Now the units are same, we can cancel them. And now, first I will divide it with 10 because both are divisible by 10. I'll get 3 ratio 12. Now 3 and 12 both are divisible by 3. So we'll get it equals to 1 ratio 4. We can do it in the beginning also, 30 divided by 30, 120 divided by 30, and we'll get the answer same, which is 1 ratio 4. Now, the next part, if you can see, is about the years and the months. Now, years is the bigger unit, and we have to convert it into months. So 2 years will be equals to 2 times 12, which is equals to 24 months. Now, in place of 2 years, we'll write down 24 months and 9 months. Now the units are same, we can cancel them. And now the number is 24 ratio 9. Both are divisible by 3. We divide them with 3 and we'll get it equals to 8 ratio 3. This is how we can simplify the ratios with the units. I hope you understand the question very well. Now you will be able to do the different kind of questions. I have shared a link in the description box where you can click and you will keep on getting the questions as you will solve one. So I hope you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share my channel link with your friends, and keep watching my videos. Thanks for watching.